Hello trader. Today I am doing the analysis of Nifty Auto Index, and those are part of a Nifty Auto Indexes. We are going to the chart of that. Those are stocks are present in a Nifty Auto, and we are check and analysis how we can which stock is giving a better result, and where we are comparing the Nifty and also the auto index, such a way we can doing the analysis today's. Just we are currently I have in a tradingview.com open the auto index stock. Auto index stock, it give a nice rally from after COVID, and after that it was first time taking the resistance at the 27 600, and coming down and taking resistance over this time and create a cup and handle pattern and trying to give a breakout, but it was a fail. Then again it was try to break out and once again come down. After one more attempt, it was did nicely consolidated over this region and trying to it will give the breakout, means all time high price. It have touch about 29,850 we can consider, and it was coming down slowly, and a small candle was there, no big candle was um, showing in this small retracement candle, and it was touching this zone that I have that we have already drawn over the chart. And because it was created a lifetime high, and Nifty is quite away from this lifetime high. That says that this auto index is quite compare with the Nifty, it was strong, and those are stocks those are present in this index. It was given a good return over a period of time. Uh, Over the period of 5 or 6 months, over the period of 6 months, we can say it was give a nice return over the stock. Those are present in the also the this auto index also given the nicely written. And when we are comparing the chart of those are present in this Nifty auto index, such as Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Auto, it have created the lifetime high in 24 September 2024. Then it come down, and after it was creating a higher high, and it was taking this resistance at this time, and cup and handle complex cup and handle pattern it was created, and it was giving a breakout from this zone, and now it was trading. It was taking the resistance, and here also the nicely consolidated, and it was those we are checking the when we are found that means check that chart, we found that some king size candle, bullish candle, those are showing many bullish candle, this also bullish candle, this also bullish candle means it shows that the mm, when you give this breakout for this zone, and it will give a nice rally over it. Means it, as per candlestick, it was showing the bullish candles was present in this Bajaj auto stock, and it was just 4-5% away from this lifetime high, 7% away from this lifetime high, and auto index that I have created the lifetime high, and it was retrace, currently it was retracing. Then we are check the uh, M Mahindra and Mahindra, sorry, Mahindra and Mahindra. we in a chart it was created a lifetime high, and it was not give that much correction that we are found in Bajaj Auto. And but I can check that Nifty Auto Index, sorry, Auto Index, Auto, Auto Index. It was nicely corrected after that. After this also fall, it was nicely corrected near about 25%. I am thinking 27, yeah, 29% it was coming down. After this fall also it was coming down 17% down. And when we are check Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Auto, after this fall, it was corrected, nicely corrected near about 44%. It was corrected near about, we can say, 43% it was corrected. But when we are considering the Mahindra and Mahindra, it was not that much correction. It was shown, not it was not corrected. It was going to a sideways zone. Sideways zone. This is also when we are creating a high. It was going to a sideways, and it was one more time. It was creating the high, and it was sideways. Then one it was down, and mm, uh, nicely corrected over this region. And over this period, it was nothing but in a sideways zone. Other than that, auto index, Bajaj Finance, we saw it was nicely corrected near about 40 and 25%, I think. And but Mahindra and Mahindra is nothing but sideways. Then we are checking the Hero Hero Moto Hero Moto Corp. Hiromoto Corp, when we saw when it was creating the high, it was corrected for near about 46%. It was corrected. Then one more touching the same resistance, it was corrected from the 25%. Now the the cup and handle pattern is was not created, uh, but not cup and handle pattern, we can say the zone. This is the resistance lines. It was continuously taking the resistance. Might be after some time it was corrected, and it was taking the resistance, and might be it will give a breakout from this zone, and taking a resistance, and it will went up. But as compared to the Nifty auto index, it was not creating the high, and only Nifty auto index creating the high, and all other stocks are lagging behind uh, the auto index. Then we are have the Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki, the lifetime high was 17,000. And when it was giving this, it was about facing the resistance over this trend line, and it was went up, and it was give a nice rally. After it was retraced, and one more time creating the lifetime high of 17,300. And it was corrected, nicely corrected. After that 30% it was corrected. And the ascending triangle pattern it was currently performing, means creating, and it was taking the resistance for one time, two, three, and here also it was near to the trend line, but might be the it might because this is a strong candle over the trend line, might be it will break this trend line, and might be creating more and more lower high. And after that it will retest this trend line. uh, sorry taking the resistance over this trend line, and it will break out. But or might not be, it might correct more down, and then after that it will go up. This is the overall analysis of three or four stocks of the Nifty Auto Index. There is a one more way I am following which stock is stronger when we are comparing the also the index. When I have going to the auto index, indexes auto index, then I was simply I am deleting this and this also deleting. Then I in indicator, sorry, in indicator we are going to line chart. Line chart I will simply and collapse this. It will give the bigger picture. Then from this plus icon we can add our multiple stocks, those are present, or any stock we those we want to compare uh, with that particular stock. We can add the stock. In the same way I can add the Bajaj Auto. In the same way I can add Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, and the Maruti Suzuki, and yes, all the four stock. And this is the Nifty index is the blue one. Okay, it was quite okay. We can take this, and Bajaj Auto is red. Then Mahindra and Mahindra is yellow. Then Bajaj Auto is also we can choose any color, but uniquely identify the row for the uniquely identify the stocks. I am giving the colors also. Nifty is and one more thing I can add here in the labels. In a stock name I have added the Bajaj Auto. It was added multiple time, I think. Bajaj Auto, it was added multiple time. Then I have deleted that. This color is Nifty Auto Index. This is a Bajaj Auto, Mahindra and Mahindra with this color, Maruti in green. One more is miss, I think. Hero Motocorp. Yes, ठीक है. Okay. When we can in that we can comparing the 1 month which stock is giving the higher return. From this 1 month we are is 28 28th of July. Now is the 28th of August. The Hero Motocorp giving the near about 9% return. Bajaj Auto giving the 6.32% return. Auto Index giving the 3 near about 4% return. Maruti Suzuki is giving the um, a minus 2% return in a 1 month. In a 3 month, the Bajaj Auto and Hero Motocorp is giving the 11.5, Hero Moto giving the 10%, Auto Index giving the 7.2, and Maruti is giving the minus 0.19. 6 month time frame, the Bajaj in a 6 month the Bajaj Auto giving the 22.48, Auto Index giving the 4.27, Hero Motocorp giving the no return, Mahindra and Mahindra giving the no return, Maruti Suzuki is giving the 9 point minus 9.92% return. Means when we are compare, or from this financial year we can also compare, or we can also compare in the 1 year which one is stronger. In a 1 year it was giving the near about 37, Auto Index giving the 40%, Hero Motocorp 10. This is the way it was showing the which stock was giving the which stock was uh, giving the great higher what type of return it was giving. It was easily we can view that uh, and show that, and we on that basis we can compare that auto index, how much it will perform and which stock is showing the better result, or on higher time frame which stock is giving might be giving um, higher return also. That's why as comparing this way in a 6 month time frame, the auto Bajaj Auto is giving the great return. After that Auto and Mahindra, sorry, Auto Index. After that Hero Motocorp, Mahindra and Mahindra, and Maruti is the last. Means Maruti is not performing. Uh, Also it was not with the overall index stock. That's why this is the way I will compare, and which stock is good. Or in a month also this Bajaj Auto, sorry, in a month also Hero Motocorp is stronger than these other stocks are present in this way we can compare that. I will deleting the all this thing, and I will show you the one more interesting thing in Hero Maruti Suzuki. Candles. When I saw that, when I trying to do the analysis, I found the Bajaj, no, Maruti stock. Maruti stock. Maruti, it was doing this ascending triangle pattern. It was creating the higher high. Same thing we can found in Nifty also. Mm. Nifty also doing the same thing. It was creating the ascending triangle pattern, and it was creating the higher high, and it was taking the support to this trend line. And this is the same way as similar to the Nifty. Bajaj Auto, sorry, Maruti Suzuki also doing doing the same pattern over the similar pattern to the Nifty and Bajaj, sorry, Maruti. It was creating. That's it, guys. You have great day ahead.